In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to teach online with Google Meet, a comprehensive guide just for teachers. As we dive into the world of online teaching, using tools like Google Meet can be incredibly valuable. It offers a straightforward platform for conducting virtual classes, connecting with students, and sharing content in real time. Let's walk through the steps to get you started with your online teaching experience. First, let's head over to Google Meet. You can access Google Meet by visiting meet.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account, as this will allow you to create and manage meetings seamlessly. It's a good idea to bookmark this page so you can get back to it quickly in the future. Next, you'll want to click on the option that says New Meeting. This button is typically located near the middle of the page, and clicking on it will give you a few different options to choose from. For the purpose of this video, we'll select Start an Instant Meeting. This allows you to start a session immediately, which is particularly useful for impromptu classes or last-minute meetings with your students. Once your meeting begins, it's time to present your material. To do this, look for the button labelled Present Now. You'll generally find this towards the bottom of your screen in the control panel. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options on what part of your computer you wish to share. Choose wisely depending on the content you plan to show, whether it's a specific document, a browser tab, or your entire screen. After you've selected Present Now, you'll be prompted to click on Share. This action makes your chosen content visible to everyone in the meeting. It's crucial to double check at this stage that you're sharing the correct screen or application. Take a moment to ensure no sensitive or unrelated information is accidentally being broadcast to your students. Finally, focus on the Presentation tab if this is the method you're using to deliver your lesson. This option is ideal for sharing slides or any web-based content seamlessly while keeping an eye on your audience. It allows for a smooth and interactive class experience, enabling you to communicate efficiently while presenting your material clearly. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of Google Meet's capabilities, making your online teaching sessions engaging and effective. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to familiarize yourself with these features to ensure a smooth class delivery. Good luck and happy teaching.